Well, that's looking good, right?
Zombie apocalypse.
Hello everyone, I'm Rithvik and today I'm going to show you the game I've been working on since a few weeks. I named it Project G and it's just a basic first person shooter game. I used Unity and C# to make that game as I learned them a few months ago and I'm still continuously practicing them. It's just a basic first person shooter which has the basic first person shooter core mechanics. The player can move, the player can jump, the player can shoot, the player can reload, the player runs out of ammo, the player has an ammo counter. Well, my ammo counter is not that high tech because it just showed the numbers. Of course, we'll figure that out in the future in an upcoming video. Well, this is just Devlog 0. It's a pretty short video and it's just an overview of the game and about me. Like, this is my first YouTube channel, first video, and like the first devlog of this series. As this is just a devlog 0, it's a short introduction and we will be speaking about how I came to this position of the game, like how I made the movement, how I made the shooting and everything in the future upcoming videos, and we will cover all the topics and what I will do to make this a ready for publish game. The editing may not be that good because this is my first video and I'm not that good editor or something, but I've tried my best. So this is my first video. I'm Rithvik and thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Share, subscribe and comment. Bye.